Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to be doing a nail set using the stuff that some of the stuff I got from Glitterbels and Shein. I've already got my tips on here, which were these ones from Shein, and I just snipped off the top to make coffin shaped. This glove is on here because I'm kind of already did my offhand and I recorded it, but I didn't like the way it came out, so I'm kind of trying to hide the design a bit. So the acrylics that I'm going to be using I got in the Glitterbels kit. The first one we're going to be using is the cashmere cover, and that colour is, if I can find it, this one here. Then we're also going to be using Grey Smoke by Glitterbels, and this is what it looks like. Grey Smoke. And then we're also going to be using Gold Dust, and this is what it looks like. And then obviously some clear as well. So I'm just going to get my bits ready and I will be back, guys. I have got two little pots here because one of them is a glitter and I don't want to be getting the glitter mixed up between the two of them. And I'm going to be using the County Coat Liquid Monomer. Now this is a fast setting monomer, and I do struggle with it, and I think it's because it's just, I'm a beginner and it's too fast for me. But you know, we are going to try our best. So we have our brush. So first things first is we're actually going to go in with the glitter for the first step, because I want to try and do an ombre. Oh, bless me. Because I want to try and do an ombre. So here is the glitter. Like so. So this is what we are working with. I'm just going to get the next colour out and turn this bit of paper over. So here we have our cashmere pink. We're going to put this on the pinky and these two fingers here. which is also by Glitterbels, which is the grey smoke. And we're going to work the opposite way. And now we are going to go back in with our gold. Just a little bit. Bring it up. A little bit. This is what we're looking like so far. Hello guys, so I am back from filing and this is what we are looking like. My thumb. So now we are going to go on to decorating. So first things first, for this one and this one we are going to be doing some cat eye on there. So now these have flash cured, we're just going to go in with a base coat on the other three. And so now we've got some stickers, we have some pearls and some sparkles. Now we are going to grab this sticker here. Like so. So it's in the corner of the nail. And we're going to stick a sticker on this one here. Yep, that's nice and flat, looking good. So now we are going to go in with our diamond gel. For this nail and the thumb is going to be exactly the same, so we'll add a bunch of diamond gel, and we want quite a big sparkle. And 3 pearls either side. And a shiny one there. Shiny one in the middle. Like so, that's what it looks like. So we will flash cure that in place. And then for the middle finger, I'm going to go in with some more diamond gel. And we have our flower, and we're just going to line that up to how we want it. And then give that a flash cure. And here is the finished look, guys. What do you think? So we have cat eye and sparkle on the thumbs. And we have the flowers with the sparkles. Then we have our 3D flowers. And this, the same as the thumb. And then we have our pinkies. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video, guys.